How to view and download a receipt in Uber Eats. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Uber Eats on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Uber Eats account. Then click on the person icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Here, click on Orders. After you click on Orders, go to Past Orders at the top. You'll find all your past orders in here. Select the order you want. Then you can click on View Receipt. After that, use the drop down to switch receipt views if available and scroll to see your fees, charges, and totals. And if you need invoice, use the invoice flow instead. And after you do that, you're good to go. This is how to view and download a receipt in Uber Eats. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.